Today marks the start of Manufacturing Week in Minnesota. To learn more about the industry, more than 500 high school and college students in southeastern Minnesota will be touring local manufacturing companies this week. KIMT News 3's Annalise Johnson went on one of those tours in Rochester today. She joins us live now with more. Annalise?
Yeah, a group of students toured DeMale Engineering in Rochester this morning. DeMale manufactures for the aerospace, defense, and telecommunications industries and provides fiber optic equipment.
My wish for you today is to take something away from your tour here that's of value to you as you make decisions for your future.
Tim Connie and Dean Krieger both started their career with a 2-year degree. They eventually got more education and are now president and CEO and vice president of business development for DeMale Engineering.
You can have a very lucrative career in manufacturing without the student debt and still get to the same place. It's just a different path.
Finding skilled folks has been a challenge. I mean, for some time now, you know, a 4-year degree has been the preferred route for a lot of guidance counselors to steer students. We're hoping that folks will see that there's another path here, you know, and maybe a 2-year technical degree can fulfill some of their needs.
A national workforce shortage and student loan debt are just two issues manufacturing businesses and students are facing. Manufacturing Week opens young people's eyes to another option, a career in manufacturing that likely requires less than a 4-year degree.
It's important in my world with economic development. We're trying to help businesses like DeMale grow and expand and be successful. To do that, they need employees. They need workforce. We also look for new opportunities to locate businesses here. And when they're looking around, if you don't have a workforce, that's a problem.
Manufacturing is actually pretty exciting. There's a lot of technology at play here in what we do on a daily basis. And I think that plays a big role in terms of future employment choices for some of these kids as well. I mean, the path to employment in this type of industry is pretty widely varied. It could be, you know, a formal 4-year degree, a 2-year technical degree. There's even some starting out roles that we have for people, you know, straight out of high school.
This is the second year the Rochester Area Economic Development has taken students on these tours. Manufacturing pays an average annual wage of more than $60,000. That is 17% higher than the Minnesota state annual average. Live in Rochester, Annalise Johnson, KIMT News 3.
Thank you, Annalise. More students will be visiting companies tomorrow and Thursday. Students from 15 schools will learn about 30 companies. George?